Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of Android TV boxes. The ultimate streaming companion for your living room today is the Kinhank G1 Android TV box. We're going to talk about the specifications of the device, how it's running applications. We're going to demonstrate speed tests on the Wi-Fi 6, and we're even going to compare it with the Fire Stick. So let's start talking about the connectivity. This device has Wi-Fi 6 support. Later in this video, I will demonstrate its speed, but it also comes with an Ethernet port that only supports up to 100 megabytes. For this demonstration, I have not tested that out and I stick with the Wi-Fi 6. I must say, I'm surprised how fast the internet speed is on this device wirelessly. It has Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect game controllers with it or other Bluetooth devices. It has two USB ports. They are 2.0 ports, but hey, it's integrated with 32 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough to store all your data. Another surprise to me is that this device has a HDMI port 2.1, and it also includes a micro SD card reader for additional storage options. Now let's talk about the specifications. This device has Android TV 11.0 as its operating system. It has an Amlogic S905 quad-core processor as its CPU, which is pretty decent. It also has 4 gigs of RAM compared to the Fire Stick, that's double as much, and 32 gigabytes of storage, which is also as double compared to the Fire Stick. It also has Google and Netflix dual certifications. This is very important to me because I want to be able to watch Netflix and Google in 4K, which is usually not possible when you buy yourself an Android TV box with a brand that is a bit less known or totally unknown. To me, this is a pretty new device, but so far during the tests that I've done, I am liking it a lot. For my home setup, I currently use on a day-to-day regular base the Google TV Chromecast, but after this demonstration, I decided to go ahead and replace my Google TV with the Kinhank G1 because it also supports so many video and audio formats like AV1, but also 4K up to 60 frames per second with HDR, HDR10, HLG, HDR10 Plus, and even Dolby Vision. It comes also with Dolby Digital Audio for formats and immersive viewing experience like never before. So I guess there's nothing left to say except let's plug this bad boy in, start it up, and see how it all works. Setting up the device is very easy. After you plugged it in, you can connect the remote control, select your language, and you can connect your G1 with your phone if you have an Android phone, or else you'll have to do it manually. Go ahead and open up the Google app on your Android phone and make sure you have turned on Google Voice Control. You can easily do that in the settings and search for Google Assistance and go to Hey Google, make sure it's toggled on like I have right here. After that, you can go to the home screen and you can say, Hey Google, set up my device. It will open up the menu and start looking for new devices. It's going to connect to the device and it's going to pop up a code that you have to confirm on your phone, and you can hit next and you can choose your Wi-Fi network. You can copy your Google account and all its data that you've previously had on different devices, Android TV devices, to your device. After that, you can go quickly through the menu. I have set it up like this, and you can even choose the search across TV platforms. I have chosen to turn on Google Assistant so we can go ahead and test the voice control also. I've also set back all my applications, and you can also very easily make sure your G1 remote control works on your normal TV. This is how it looks like, and firstly, I want to go down device preferences and see what its specifications are exactly. It does come with Android 11, like they have promised, and there's currently no updates available. Very good to go ahead and check this out. I do know they will come on updates regularly, so this does give me a good feeling about future software. Going to the storage, you can see that there's 27 gigabytes, and what really interested me is how fast and good the YouTube works in 4K resolutions. So let's bump it up to the highest quality, and let's turn on stats for nerds. You can see that there are 0 frame drops, and the quality is perfect. This is 4K HDR 60 frames per second. I've previously used other Android TV boxes, and this is most likely one of the best. It is, in my opinion, better than the Fire Stick. With its 4 gigs of RAM, the Fire Stick is no match for it. That being said, the Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and HDR works very good on it. I've tested it on Netflix, and the picture quality is amazing. It also includes, of course, that Dolby audio settings. And again, watching just this video, you can see that there are 0 frames dropped. Now, testing out the Hey Google part, I wanted to test the speed test. Let's go ahead and open it up, download the application, and installing apps was also very fast. So I have a current 1 gig of Wi-Fi internet, Wi-Fi 6 router, and as you can see, the speeds are very good. I have approximately 20 devices running and connected on the internet during the time of this video. I did do another test. That speed did come up to 850, but we just kept it for the video on this speed right here. And we also went ahead and went into the device specifications to see if they actually put their money where their mouth is. Getting into this, you can see that it has a 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has Bluetooth 5.0, but it always states in this application 4. It comes with a quad-core CPU. It has a GPU Mali G31, and it will come with all the codecs like promised. So it has Dolby Vision, it has AV1, it has all these codecs which normally you will not find on these Android TV boxes that you order from their website. So getting back to ordering, it's very easy and trustworthy to just order this through the Amazon website. Shipping is fast and you're ordering from a trusted vendor. That being said, I believe this video has come to an end, but just check this out. On my Google TV Chromecast, you will not see me scrolling this fast without any lag. That being said, boys and girls, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. But before you do, you want to check out the link in the description because you can order this bad boy right out of Amazon.com. That's correct. You can find all the specification and the information that we have discussed. And you can even do a comparison with other devices. Like mentioned before, I think in comparison with the Fire Stick 4K Max, this device does run better. But that's just my own opinion, especially compared to the Google TV Chromecast, which I use on a day-to-day basis. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any feedback for me, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.